What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mace back with another video. In this video, I want to go over this gold trade that I took today. Nice supply trade. And I just want to explain my reasoning and what I look for when it comes to entering a trade, executing a trade, targets, stops. But before I get into this video, if you guys enjoy the content that I'm putting out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Would be greatly appreciative. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright YouTube, so we're back to the video, and this right now is the setup that I took today. If you guys watched the last video that I posted about why I changed from break and retest into supply and demand, then this was the setup here that I was able to catch off this one. But unfortunately I wasn't able to catch the whole setup because if you guys know, I am funded, and the platform that I'm using, it doesn't allow us to carry our trades over during the weekend, so I had to exit this trade before the market closed on Friday. But it played out beautiful that Sunday evening once market opened up. Nice red candle, played out for 2-to-1 risk to reward, right back to these areas that I was looking at, which was the resistance area right now. This was the resistance area I was looking price to get back down to. Like I said, if you want to see that video, always go back, look at the video that I posted. But I want to actually get into this one here, the same sell setup. So to do this right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a past replay quickly. I'm going to put it back to just here, and I want to show you guys exactly what I was looking for when it came to the setup. So the setup already took place obviously, but we were looking at, let's move this right now. Let's don't pay attention to this right now. All this right now we're not going to pay attention to, okay? So what we were looking at when this was taking place was price was like this right now. So price opened up Sunday with nice drop, but because I know we are at a 4-hour high right now, we're targeting a 4-hour high, we know that price would have given us some type of pullback, which once price broke this area here on the 15-minute, but also the 5-minute, we noticed that if we start having some selling pressure, we're looking to carry price right here and see what price does afterwards. So if we put a swan back here, you're looking to see what price does afterwards once hitting back to this resistance area. So price continued to rally down. So what happened now is, once the market opened up at 7, which is my time to trade, I want to start to get some type of involvement inside if I want to get involved. What I've noticed was I go on the 15-minute and price was breaking structure. So price made an impulse here. I'll draw it out for you guys. Price made an impulse down here, made a pullback, made new impulse, made a pullback, made a new impulse, right? So that's what we were getting. That's why you can see that I have the break of structure. So this was the break of structure. So this is my low, this is my lower high, this is my lower low. Price finally came and break this high, which made a change of character. If you go, so we know what a change of character is and a break of structure. They are basically the same thing. The only thing is the break of structure would be a trend continuation, where it's just continuing to break structure to go either high or go lower. But the change of character is still breaking some type of structure. The only thing is breaking structure on for the opposite side. So if you're selling like this right now and we got a change of character, you'll be looking for buys now, vice versa. Once I say I have to change of character, I'm now looking to see where can price be trying to go, because this was the 7 o'clock candle right there, this red candle. I noticed that price had a supply area right here. The price can tap into on the 15-minute. So now once I've seen this, I don't have any other 15-minute structure per se at the moment. So I need to go on the 5-minute and identify more structure. On the 5-minute now, I'm at the 15-minute supply. If you can notice, if you can see that right there, this was the first touch it made in that zone. Price came down, but I'm not worried about this, not 7 o'clock yet. So once 7 o'clock came right in with the same green candle, I'm now looking to see what can price do. But I've noticed price made a small break a structure right here as well on the 5 minute, and this is my low on the 5 minute. But once price broke that, I now know that there's a possibility I could be looking for sells on the 5 minute. So I'm just waiting for setup. And US 30, NAS, SPX, they didn't really give me any setup today, so luckily gold came through for me. Price continued to break structure, so it broke this one, then it came and it broke this one as well. So I'm seeing price breaking structures, price is breaking structures, then price came and broke this one. So price is just breaking structures, if you can see that. What I'm looking at is, I'm still looking for an entry, I'm still looking for something to give me. And that's when price came, finally give me a nice pullback. Okay, so this would be my low. Price is starting to make a pullback. 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles. I don't really count 1 candle as a pullback. Once it's 3 candles or more, I consider it a pullback, or even 2 candles. Sometimes depend on the size of those candles, how much it pushed back. But when price gave me that, price started to rally down once more, give me a supply here, but then it also gave me a supply around here, because this came out aggressive as well to break this structure. So a lot of ways you can go towards supplies and demand. Some would say, well, make sure the first 3 candles actually break the structure, or you can also just wait until you get some kind of gaps. So this 1, 2, 3 still didn't break structure, but then if you use this 2 candles here, then the first 1, 2, 3 actually broke structure and it left the gap. So I had this as a supply, and I also had this area here as well as a supply. So I was looking at both of those areas. Now when it came to my entry, once price tapped into this, I need to see that next candle break my 13 EMA. That would be the same line right now. My 13 EMA has to be broken, and has to be broken with an aggressive bullish or bearish candle, and that's what price gave me here. So this was, like I said, my supply. This was my entry. I put my stop loss above these highs in case price wanted to pull back a little bit more into this area, because I've noticed there's times where price can still go into the zone or go higher even after breaking a 13 EMA. But I know this is my confirmation candles right there. Once I've gotten that, once I've entered that, price put me some drawdown a little bit. The price came with this nice red candle. From there, I could have taken targets at a 1-to-1. I don't usually like 1-to-1s. To be honest, I don't think I'm making that much money as yet. As a trader, say, okay, just go for 1-to-1 and be satisfied. I believe when I start the risk around $3,000, $2,000 around there, when I start having 2-3K days, then I'll be like, okay, yeah, I'll risk. I'll do a 1-to-1 and be comfortable with that. But for now, I'm not there yet. But when I get there, then yeah, 1-to-1 will be pretty nice for me. So from there, what I wanted to do, like I said, I wanted to carry it to here. Why there? Because this is where the last major low was. Once I've seen price started to get there, price got there with the same red candle here. And once the red candle came there, I'm now looking at, okay, I could probably get a 2-to-1 off this trade. So why don't I open up my TP targets and just see if price can continue going with this momentum. I put my stop loss above this high, and I'm saying if price gets back to this area, I'll come out with whatever profits it was. Price started to rally down, and in a few more minutes, price hit my 2-to-1, and I was out of the trade. And it's so fun because that's why it's very important to know where you're at in the market, because as soon as price touched this major low right now, look what price did right afterwards. Price started to reverse, and that is price right now. So price like the reverse. You have to always know exactly where you're at in the market, know where to take your targets, know when not to be greedy, know when to be greedy. And that was that. So right now I'm just waiting to see what price wants to do at this moment. I can't give out anything at the moment because it's not my session. I noticed out of session price is so unpredictable at times. Some days are good, some days are bad. Other than that, yeah, that was a nice setup for gold today. Like I say, Nas and 30, they didn't really give me any nice setups, but I was grateful for this one right there. This one would have been a great one as well, because this was actually a higher risk to reward. That would have been good if I could have hold trades over the weekend, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, if you like the video that I said today, if you like whatever knowledge I gave out just now, just like I say, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more content. I'll try to do, like I say, each and every day. If not every day, then every other day, every 2 days or whatsoever. But just always remember, stay focused, stay on your grind, stay disciplined, put God first, rely on yourself, put the work in, put the work in, put the work in. That's what I had to do. That's what a lot of these people are doing. Don't try to build riches off of people. You understand? Try see if you get on your own. Teach yourself how to fish. You know what I mean? But anyways, that's all I got for you guys in this video. Peace and love. God bless you all.